So getting compliments feels amazing. I think we all can agree. Well, what if I told you there were some specific items that you could wear that will guarantee you get 10 times more compliments? So number one is the tan or camel-colored driving jacket. Pretty much any tan or camel-colored jacket is going to automatically get you compliments because it's different, it's rich, and it looks amazing. Number two is a ring, a cool ring. All right, the deal is I've been wearing rings for years. It doesn't matter which ring I wear, I always seem to get compliments on them because they're usually a little bit bigger, a little bit chunkier, and it's a great way just to express your individual style. Number three is a watch. It's amazing how many people actually notice and will say, hey, I like your watch. Even if it's not like super expensive, people still notice. Number four is a cool pair of sunglasses, all right? These are actually my most complimented sunglasses that I own. They're a brand called Retrospects, all right? It's a gray acetate, it's got the gray gradient lens. Historically, what I have noticed is any of the sunglasses that I own that have some type of gradient in terms of like dark to light, these are typically going to be the ones that I get the most compliments on. For whatever reason, they're sexy. Bomber jackets. I always get a ton of compliments anytime I wear a bomber jacket, whether or not it's my gray suede bomber that you guys have all seen, or my brown puffer bomber that everybody's been like, yo, where'd you get that bomber, right? Or even this one, right? This one is actually a new one that I got. The brand, Thursday Boots, the collab, Alpha M. This bad boy hasn't dropped yet, but it's going to. And when it does, they're gonna fly. Leather jackets. All right, so here's the deal. Anytime I wear a leather jacket, I get a ton of compliments. Now, the trick is to not wear a basic, boring leather jacket, all right? This one, the brand is actually All Saints, super sexy, the color is amazing, all right? Some other ones, here's a gray suede trucker jacket, also tons of compliments, All Saints. Here's another one. This one is a brown racer from Thursdays. I get more compliments when I wear this jacket than literally like any jacket I own. For whatever reason, outerwear is one of those things that always seems to get me compliments because I spend time, money, and energy looking for cool outerwear options. All right, here's another one that always gets me compliments. It's a simple denim jacket. The brand is H&M. It cost me literally like $30. I always get tons of compliments rocking this thing. Creed Aventus. I have owned hundreds, if not thousands of fragrances. Nothing gets compliments like Creed Aventus. The problem with this though is like a bottle's like $400, which is why I created this, guys. If you want to check out Rebel, this stuff is incredible. It's sexy. It is very heavily inspired by Creed Aventus, except instead of like $450 for a bottle, this is actually under 50. And right now, guys, with that discount code, it's even more affordable. I guarantee you, you're going to get compliments on the first time you ever wear it. This stuff is a game changer. Hit the link down below. There's a limited time discount code if you want to grab it. Guys, I'm going to link down below to Rebel along with the other fragrances. And like I said, we also have the deluxe sample sizes. So if you're not ready to pull the trigger on a big bottle, you could buy them individually, or you could buy the collection of samples to get a few different ones to see which one you like the best or which one you get the most compliments on. All right, so let's talk about boots, shoes, and sneakers. I have never gotten a compliment on white minimal sneakers. I just haven't. I've gotten a ton of compliments on these suede chukkas. They're also brown. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, brown in terms of a color for shoes is going to get you a ton of compliments because most dudes wear black. Another pair, right? These right here from Thursdays, tons of compliments. Suede. Suede is one of those things that I always get compliments on, whether or not it's boots, it's sneakers, it's Chelsea boots, or it's a jacket. If I'm rocking suede, I know pretty much I'm going to get a compliment. And if it's brown or gray, game over, I win. All right. Another pair. These sneakers, brown leather sneakers, minimal sneakers. I got more compliments on these when I actually wore them than like most shoes that I own. These things always got compliments. Another pair, compliments, brown, right? Brown boots, amazing. This color, I'm telling you, gentlemen, if you want to guarantee like compliments, instead of going like dark brown, go with something that's a little bit lighter, a little bit more like chestnut. I'm telling you, you will crush it when it comes to compliments. My navy pinstriped tailored suit. All right, so this one, every time I put this on, I get compliments. The pants fit me flawlessly, the jacket fits me amazing, the color is incredible, and the pinstripes just make it a little bit something special. Every single time I wear this suit, I get a compliment. Some other details, all right? Look at that lapel. It's a little bit more like Tom Ford peak lapel. It's a little bit larger. It's a strong masculine stance in terms of a jacket that always gets me compliments. Navy blue, in my opinion, is a must-have, but with the chalk stripe or a pinstripe, even better. But I also get a ton of compliments every time I wear this suit, all right? And it's not just because it's tailored and it's from Suit Supply. It's because of the color, which brings me to something else that will guarantee you compliments, and that is getting away from black, gray, and the basic colors. When you go a little bit outside of the box, wear something a little bit fresh, a little bit bright, you automatically are going to get noticed, and people are going to be like, oh my gosh, that color looks amazing on you. Now, the truth is, color theory is a very real thing. Certain colors are going to look better on you. If you've ever worn a color and somebody's been like, wow, that shirt really looks great on you, that basically is your code for, yo, wear this color a lot. It's meaning that it's not washing you out, it's making your features pop, and it just is going to resonate and work with your skin's undertones and basically your hair color. Now, general rule of thumb, if you're very light or white in terms of pasty skin and hair, maybe it's blonde, you should stay away from the very dark or bright colors. You want to go with something that's a little bit more muted, a little bit more subdued. The darker your skin tone, the darker your hair, the easier time you're going to have wearing the brighter colors, the yellows, the blues, the reds, the pinks. These are going to look amazing on you. And if you've got like black skin, game over. You literally can wear anything and it's going to look incredible. My tortoiseshell glasses, all right? So these glasses have gotten me so many compliments. And the reason is, A, they're not like boring or basic, but they just stand out, right? In my opinion, tortoiseshell is an incredible option in terms of eyewear, whether or not it's sunglasses or simple frames. All right, whenever I wear these, and I think it's because of the high contrast between the acetate, I automatically get noticed. I automatically have people, men and women, saying, hey, I love your glasses. Guys, if you want to upgrade the amount of compliments you get cool frames. And the last thing I just want to mention, you're not going to believe me, but I'm telling you, it's true. And that is my earrings. I get more compliments from men, from women on my earrings. They say, hey, I like your earrings, or your earrings are really cool. Even though I know a lot of you are like, yo, you look like a huge douche, and no like 50-year-old dude should be rocking earrings. I don't care. I'm just saying I get a ton of compliments on them. Any jewelry is really, I guess, the takeaway. If you're wearing a cool necklace or a cool bracelet, a cool ring, a cool watch, cool earrings, whatever it is, you are automatically going to set yourself apart from most dudes, because most dudes look boring and basic. But by upgrading and elevating your style with accessories, it automatically is going to make other people compliment you.